next part of our digestive system is small intestine. So let us learn something more about small intestine. Small intestine is made up of 3 parts. Okay, it is made up of 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum is the shortest part, jejunum is the middle part and ileum is the longest part. Okay, it's highly coiled one. Okay, you know our elementary canal is here about 9 meters, and out of 9 meters 6 meters is small intestine. So you can imagine how highly coiled small intestine is. Now one more important feature of small intestine is that the walls of small intestine have finger like projections. Okay, they have finger like projections that helps in absorption of food, and they increase the area for absorption of food. So that finger like projections are called as villi. They are called as villi. And this villi are made up of blood vessels and cilia. Cilia helps in the movement of the villi, and blood vessels, they carry the absorbed food to different parts of the body. Okay, so there are numerous villi in small intestine that help in the absorption of food. So actually what happens in small intestine, let us learn that. So digestion in small intestine. Now as soon as food enters the small intestine, it receives 3 juices. The duodenum part is continuous with stomach, and that part receives 3 juices. One juice from pancreas called as pancreatic juice, one juice from liver, that is called as bile juice, and one juice is made inside its wall, that is intestinal juice. There are glands called as intestinal glands that will secrete this intestinal juice. So as soon as the food reaches small intestine, all these 3 juices enter or are secreted in the small intestine. Let us learn one by one. So first one is bile juice. Now bile juice is greenish yellow in color. Okay, it is greenish yellow in color, and it is alkaline in nature. HCl, how was HCl? HCl was acidic. Now just opposite of that, it is alkaline in nature, and it is secreted by the largest gland of the body, that is liver. It is secreted by liver. After secretion, it is stored temporarily in gallbladder. So whenever the food is requiring this bile, it will be secreted through the gallbladder into the small intestine. Okay, what does it consist of? It consists of bile salts, hormones, cholesterol and many other things. Okay, now important function. Now remember, bile does not contain any enzyme. Okay, bile does not contain any enzyme, but still it is very important for the digestion process. Now why? It breaks down large fat molecules. It breaks down large fat molecules into smaller globules, into smaller parts. Break down large fat molecules into smaller globules, and that process is called as emulsification of fats. If you are asked what is emulsification of fats, you should say breakdown of large fat molecules into smaller globules by bile is known as emulsification of fats. And bile does not contain any enzyme. It will just break down the big fat molecules in the smaller fat molecules, smaller globules, so that the enzymes can act on it and break down into simpler product. Okay, that was about bile. Let us learn about pancreatic juice in the next class.